bought the cheapest galvanized metal raised bed on Amazon that I could find, and this is a 4 foot long by 2 foot wide by 1 foot deep, and it came in the mail, and this is what it come in. And I know it don't look very like it's going to be worth 10 cents, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to unbox it here pretty much on real time and put it together and see how hard it is to put together. And we're not going to probably grow vegetables in this. We'll probably grow herbs in it. And here's one part. Screws. Hey, it came with a pair of gloves. These look like military gloves when they do the little dust test. That's funny. This goes on top. Oh, and it came with a little screwdriver. Well, ain't that something? Now, I'm going to be using my cordless screwdriver when I do this. So, and instructions. So, come from China. So, well, I mean, it feels all right. So, I don't guess it matters which is top and which is bottom. Let me cut this loose here. So we've been wanting to kind of do raised beds, and I don't want to do them out of wood. I think these will last better. And I mean, if you do them out of wood, that's fine. I'm just talking about for me. And kind of been looking around, but if you go to certain places now, they're kind of pricey. So I thought I think I gave $23.99 plus tax for this. So it's not that bad. We got 4 of them. And we're gonna use these. Mainly, I'm gonna put some of them at the greenhouse and some of them down at the high tunnel. All right. So probably what I'll do is put it all together kind of loosely, and then we'll go back and tighten it all up. And I'm assuming these go on the outside. Well, yeah, it has to go on the outside, because if you didn't, you'll grab your, every time you walk by, it'd snatch on you. And now these did have a 4-star or a 5-star review, so that's one of the reasons I got them. So. I'm pretty sure it's 3 going around the side, around the curve, and 2 this way, 2 straight ones. It does help if you got a table to put them together. You can do it on the floor too, I guess. But when you get old and fat like I am, it's hard to get up and down off the floor. So that's why I come out here on this table. And I forgot to set my timer. I was going to see how long it took me to do this. So. Alright, so I'm going to fast forward and you see you get the gist of it. I'm going to put another round one here and then another straight and around. When I get around to the nitty gritty of it, we'll start filming again. So ain't no sense boring you with all this. Alright, so it took probably about, me and my wife, about 15 minutes to put this together. And I haven't tightened anything up yet, so that's the main thing. Get it all together and you see how loose it is. And this also has a and luckily I did it right. So sometimes it's better to be right than good, but you got to put them in a certain order. Like this one's behind, this one's on top, like that. And it shows you a little diagram right here. So luckily, sometimes, like I said, it's better to be lucky than good. So like I said, it took about 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna tighten it up, and I got my little quarter screwdriver here and 10mm wrench. I'm just going to go around and hit it. One thing that concerns me right off the bat, has no middle brace. So I'm afraid this might, once you put some stuff in there, it might flex out. So probably about not the next video, but the video after that. We'll be loading it up, and we'll see how it does. You can even use an impact on this if you want to, a little cordless impact. But I love this thing here. This is one of the best tools I've ever bought. It don't have too much torque to it. Like an impact will probably, you can tighten it where it breaks. But I use this a lot, like putting in switches and outlets and stuff like that. So I also got another brand that has the middle thing. It's made in America. This is made in China. So but I also gave $25 for it. But I bought it back. I got two of those. And I put them. I haven't put them together yet. So let's put them together and see how they do. Not in this video. Alright. Well, it's more sturdy than I thought it was, and it also comes with this, and I always put these on there. This goes on the top. Or a little safety feature. And I like this a lot. Well, you get the gist of it. It's getting dark, so I gotta get going. So you can see how that goes on. Let me go ahead and put this on real quick, and I'll come right back. It's gonna take two people to do it. Okay, so we got the top on. Took about 5 minutes. My wife helped me. It's a little easier to two people, and you can see that here. And it's important to put this on, that way there's no chance you cut your fingers when you're working down in here, or cut your wrists and bleeding out or whatever. So I don't know if I like this one or not. I like the I got some for the same price that was made in America that right after Christmas that I put together for my mother-in-law, and they had a center support, and went together a little easier, and the top went on easier, and I don't know, I might like those a little better, but you know, we're going to use these, and I mean, it feels pretty sturdy, so we're going to fill it up, put it to the test. If you got a small space, this will be perfect for you. You know, get 2 of them. You can put like 8 tomatoes, 4 peppers, 2 squash, 2 zucchini. You can put carrots, beets, any kind of root thing you can put in, any kind of root crop you can put in here. So, you know, a couple of them, you'd have a pretty good little garden. So, and we'll find out. Like I said, we're going to put these down at the high tunnel and put flowers in them, and around the greenhouse, and put herbs in them. So here we go. Hope you like it. Hope you like the video. Cheapest galvanized metal raised bed on Amazon, put together right before your eyes in a box, so you can judge for yourself. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate all my subscribers. Hope you all have a happy Easter. Go to church, spend some time with your family. That's what we're going to do this Sunday. We look forward to it, and hope you do too. So hey, hit that subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.